Good morning, guys. Well, there it is. Look at that. It definitely looks better. Yeah, much better. Compared to this, which is still beautiful, but it looks so plain now, doesn't it? Compared to the one with the red stripe. Wow. I mean, that really, so happy with that. So now I'm gonna move Lightning around, do the other side, and today, view of how I actually put those stripes on. So there's videos online about it, but I'll give you all the details about that here in just a minute. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, I just want to show you this quick little video inside of Lightning. I've repositioned the car so that I can jack it up from the right hand side. I don't have a huge garage, so I just want to show you one more time. I have the car in park, and you can see right on there it also says the parking brake is on. We'll just double check that. Obviously, here it is. Yeah, it's in park, no problem. All right, so that part's done. We're ready to go. This was a thing they were concerned about, that people would leave these pucks on the bottom of their car and they'd fall off while they were driving. Well, here we go. I've removed the puck from our earlier job and put it back here on my jack. As you can see, that's exactly where the jack meets the puck when it's hanging underneath the car. It picks it up right there on that landing pad, and away you go. So there we go. Now I've repositioned Lightning here so that I can access this right hand side. I got plenty of room over here to work with the jack. Okay, guys, you can see I've repositioned Lightning, and once again I'm going to be jacking up the right hand side. I've put a chock under the wheel that I've already striped, the left front. The parking brake is set. I showed you that a second ago. Everything's clear. The car is on a level surface. I've got my jack ready to go. A handy little adjustable seat. I've driven the car since I cleaned the wheels, so I'm going to have to redo the three-step cleaning process. Once again, you clean the wheels however you would normally clean them, and then you clean them again with window cleaner, whatever you use, just to get off some additional grease and detergents and chemicals and road grime. And then the final step is to use a rubbing alcohol, at least on the rim surface where you're going to apply the stripes, which on this car is right here. It's just this little surface right here. And I determined that the 1/4 inch stripe was all we could put on these wheels. Okay, I've got 2 steps of the cleaning process done on this wheel, just like I did on the other side. And I'm just gonna put some rubbing alcohol just on the rim where I'm gonna be applying that red stripe. Okay, guys, here we go. Let's put the puck under this side. It's usually right just about under where this Grand Sport logo, the bottom of it is. Let's check that. Sure enough, there's a slot. But just like we did the other day, I'm not gonna show you all of this. Parking brake set. The car is in park. It's on a level surface. We got our chalk over here under this wheel over here. Okay, I checked that, so that's good. All right, we got our jack all the way down. That puck is. See how that slides under there? Now we'll go down here so we can position it. That extra piece, the jack just clears it by, probably 1/2 inch, so it's like perfect. I'm just gonna double check this jack, make sure it's gonna land right exactly on that puck. All right, so tighten up our jack. No, should have caught it. I can feel that it did already. Just double check it. That side's good. This side's good. There we go. It's almost off the ground. Let's take a look at that. Is it free? Yeah, it's free. Since I'm not going under the car, I could certainly just sit there on my little stool and come up to the wheel and spin the wheel and work on it. That'd be perfectly okay because I'm not going underneath the car at all. As a matter of fact, today that's what I'm going to do. Because I won't be under there. There's no danger to me personally if the car moves, because I'm going to be sitting right here with no part of my body underneath the car. So I'm just going to double check this chock still in place. All right, so we're ready to go. Let's put this up. All right. And tell you what, let's bring her up just a little bit more. Just a little bit easier for me to work on it. Look at that back wheel. Okay, I think just give a little more stability to the car. So while I'm working, there won't be a problem. All right, there we go. Yeah. Great little light. Not sure where I picked it up. Check that out. It's a rechargeable, so pretty handy, especially for this kind of a job where you're working underneath the car. Now I've got my little stool, and see that? We're going to use this little stripe it all tool. You can see that, and this little tape guide. These two things are all I need. On this car, with these rims, I end up just using a small guide here on the bottom. It's already set for the right width of tape, and then I can hold it there. You've got to be able to make sure the bottom of this rubber wheel, this foam wheel, touches the wheel rim of your car, so that as it guides the tape around it, actually, the glue catches the wheel. So let's take a look at that. All right, so I'm going to start with this little tape guide. All right, I've cut my tape stripe. It comes 6 stripes wide, and you have to cut it to separate each individual stripe. So then what we're going to do, peel that back about an inch or two. There we go. All right, just like that. We're going to put this right there, attach it just like that. Okay, can you see that, guys? Just like that. Okay, then we're going to use this tool. All right, so this little guy, I'll turn this way. All right, so this is how we're going to hold it. So now what we got to do is turn this to face ourselves. Okay, so the sticky part is facing us, and then we're going to go underneath here. You can see that. Through there. Okay, and then come around and let this hang down. All right, maybe a little bit further, like that. So you can see how it's going to feed. And then this side, as we feed it, it peels this backing off as we go. Incredible. Woo! Wow. 10 feet, 6 feet. it looks great. Once again, not quite as perfect as me personally would like it, but it looks great. It really looks great. There's nothing wrong with that. There's one little area there where I kind of got offline. And, but boy, I'll tell you what, I'll let you guys take a look at this. Check that out. Yeah, there's one or two little imperfections, but not bad. Let's check it out from this side. Yeah, pretty good. Spin that wheel. Looks pretty uniform. Wow, all right, but now there's the two front wheels. All right, there's the right side. Beautiful, just finished. Here is the left side that I had previously done. Beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. I love it. I love it. Just really changes and enhances the look of the car. Man, that is nice. Beautiful. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. And stay tuned for the continuing adventures of Lightning Tommy.